Vivo is all set to unveil its latest Vivo V9 smartphone in India at an event slated for March 23. While the Chinese phone maker has not yet revealed information around the phone's hardware specifications, pricing details, or any other features, several online leaks have emerged that give us a clearer picture about the Vivo V9. The new leaks detail the phone's internals, and also feature hands-on images, pricing information, and availability in certain Southeast Asian markets. Official retail boxes of the handsets are also apparently seen in another set of leaks. The first, and most substantial, leak comes all the way from Indonesia. A Twitter user got hold of screenshots